If you're encountering the PUBG Cloud Save Error 2025, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and unlock your game save. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official PUBG server status page to see if there are any ongoing issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart the game. Close PUBG completely and restart it. This can refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the game launcher to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which can fix the error. Step 4. Clear cache. For mobile users, go to your device settings, find the PUBG app and clear the cache. This can help eliminate any stored data that may be causing the error. Step 5. Reconnect your account. Log out of your PUBG account and then log back in. This action can refresh your account connection and potentially resolve the cloud save issue. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the cloud save error and get back to playing PUBG. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to PUBG support for further assistance.